thought we could talk about this little piece, and because I got some questions about it, and it's the desk agenda. So sitting here, just finished up work. It's 5 o'clock, and yeah, it's time to get evening. I thought we could talk about this little piece, and because I got some questions about it, and it's the desk agenda. So I thought I could flip through it, and I will show you how I use it. See, it's pretty stuff, what fits inside, and how to organize. Is it worth it? Yeah, anything you want to know. So this is the Louis Vuitton Desk Agenda, and I got it from the Louis Vuitton store in Stockholm. And here you can see I got it embossed with my initials, and I don't know if this was the medium size. I used a gold foil and a L.K. And it's a little bit dirty. You can see here it's a little flap, another flap opening. Then you have, like, you can stick it your agenda in here, or maybe on this side. Here you have some credit card slots and just a little pocket here. So it's a continuous piece of canvas. You can see it's a little bit bulky here, got some wear out of it, but overall it's pretty nice. It's a couple of years old. For this agenda you can use pretty much any A5 agenda. I believe LV has a little bit bigger than A5. Maybe it's the letter size, I don't really know. But I'm using a personal planner. Here as you can see it's all with my YouTube stickers and stuff. And it has this plastic cover. So I slide this one, so you can slide it in here. I don't attach on both sides. So I either go this way or I stick it in the back. But this is the great thing. You can also add a notebook here, an extra. Now I just have a tiny one here. But anyway, sometimes you might want some extra space to write on, and there is absolutely no problem whatsoever. You can fit even a thicker notebook here, but I think it's great to have the opportunity to have a separate notebook and then my agenda. I think this is keeping up really, really well. It's perfect. I love it. I would love to add a GM agenda, or maybe a medium. I don't know. Just because they are so beautiful. And when I did have a larger agenda one year, I did have this as a book cover or just for a notebook cover. So it's so versatile. You can use it and it's fabulous. And right now I'm using my like ordinary agenda. This is from Personal Planner, and I got the layout with the calendar on this side, a little quote, and a free side just that I can write on. So this works fine for me. I don't use it too much since I have everything planner wise in my Outlook, but I still think it's really fun to just, yeah, I have to make some notes. You know, when the kids are sick or something special is happening, Here I do plan my YouTube videos and stuff, so I know which day to publish or film or edit or anything. And I do use these stickers. You can see it says upload, yeah, shorts, yes, some different kinds of stickers. So I can highly recommend this piece. It's beautiful, it's durable, it's so versatile, and I do really enjoy it. So I really do enjoy our soft, slow mornings. I usually sitting down and writing and sipping some coffee, and hubby just do his thing. Today he's fixing a phone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye!